guys!
Hi sisters!
I hope you're all doing great. So in today's video, I'm gonna try to create a blue pastel eye makeup look. So I haven't really created an eye look makeup video since a long time.
And I really wanted to do it.
So today is the day and we're gonna do it, and
Yeah.
let's just start doing the makeup part. So I have already applied my foundation. Now I'm gonna apply a little bit of concealer. And then I'm gonna use this beauty blender to blend this concealer out. So now that my concealer is blended, I'm just gonna use a little bit of powder to just set everything, and then I'm gonna use a setting spray to just set everything. Now I am gonna do my eyebrows. So now that my eyebrows are all done, I'm just gonna cover my whole eyelid with a little bit of light shade of concealer, and then my eyelids are gonna be ready for some eyeshadow. Ali?
Give me the
It's just a mirror. It's just a mirror. It's a mirror. Now I'm taking this shade and I'm just putting it onto my crease. This is kind of like an orange shade, but it is gonna work. By the way, I always set my eye base before I put in colors, but I heard it somewhere that if you don't set it, the colors are going to be more opaque. So this is the first time I'm trying without setting it, and I think it is working pretty well. So now I'm again going to take a light shade of foundation. This is a full coverage foundation and it is very lighter than my actual skin tone, and I sometimes use it as a highlighting concealer, sometimes as an eye base. So today, using this foundation, I'm going to cut my full crease. And this is LA Girl Pro Coverage HD High Definition Longwear Illuminating Foundation. So if you were wondering what it was that I was using, my father was there.
What did he say?
So now I'm going to take this blue eyeshadow and I'm putting it all over my lid. Now I'm going to take a very precise brush, and with a little bit of foundation I'm just going to make the edge of this sharp by just putting foundation around it. And then I'm going to try to blend it out with a beauty blender. So when you are working with a very light shaded eyeshadows, you have to make sure that you keep going and keep applying and applying, because the lighter shades are hard to make look super opaque. So you have to keep putting more and more and more until you get the results that you want. So don't give up, just keep on applying more product and try to have a light base underneath so that the color pops up well, and try to have a wet base underneath. So that will also help the eyeshadow to stick better and to just make your process a little bit easier. Now I'm going to apply some winged eyeliner. So now I'm going to use a little bit of concealer to highlight my under eyes. I'm going to set my face once again. Just applying a little bit of lip balm because I have dry lips. So now I'm just going to curl my eyelashes and apply some mascara.
People say that time heals all wounds.
So now my eyes are almost done. I only need eyelashes, which I'm gonna do at the very end because I don't like eyelashes on my eyes when I'm doing my makeup. That's just how I function. I'm gonna contour my face. I'm gonna use more peachy colors today because I really want to keep it like more on the cute and more cute side. It's time for some blush. So we are gonna need a lot of blush today because I just
Feel the need to blush my cheeks.
gonna contour my nose. Okay, so now it's time for some highlighter. I really like highlighter. Okay, so I really like how this look is going. I'm just gonna apply some lipstick. I'm using this Wake Up Makeup by Nykaa. I didn't show every product before. Why am I showing it right now? I don't really care. So yeah, just comment down below if you wanted to know any product that I used, which was it. So just I'm gonna reply to that because I don't get a lot of comments.
So I'm gonna reply because I don't have a lot of like work to do anyway. So
I'm gonna take this fluffy brush and I'm gonna dip it into the pink eyeshadow and I'm gonna put it on my lips. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply some eyelashes and then the look is gonna be complete. I am super happy with how this is looking so far, and I think that lashes are just gonna make it better. And then you guys have to let me know if it looks good or not because I am positive that it is gonna look good. Subscribe to my channel right now. There was no reason for me to say it, but I really need subscribers. I'm so close to 500. I have like 490 right now, and yeah, if you're watching this and if you haven't subscribed, please do it. Nobody really does. I don't really get new viewers, so it would mean the world to me. Yeah, to be honest.
2 hours later.
Okay guys, so I am back with my eyelashes on and I really love how this is looking.
and yeah, I just
Really like it. So yeah, if you like this makeup look, then please don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below if you have any suggestions for my next video,
or if you want to tell me anything about this one.
and subscribe to our channel to never miss any other update from me on YouTube, and hit the bell icon to watch my videos first. I'm gonna see you guys on my next one. I hope I see you guys on my next one, and until then, please make sure to stay safe, stay happy, and do whatever you love. Yeah.